only a public university can safeguard Goa's intellectual, cultural and environmental future. Private universities are not going to see this. Private universities will not care a damn about Goa's culture, about Goa's environment. Not at all. Why will they be bothered? They will be producing degrees. Only the Goa University can be giving us good inputs to protect our intellectual, cultural and environmental future. So students have to be taken as stakeholders in this, not as subjects. You all are not, part of the university administration rules and you all are subjects. No. You all are stakeholders. You all have equal importance. And young minds cannot be controlled. Young minds have to be given the right to think. And the university is not a school. So no uniform. Oppose the uniform. This is my stand on this. I may be an outspoken politician. Tomorrow I become the chief minister, I'll be 100% sure nobody has to wear a uniform. No need to wear a uniform. So silencing voices does not create harmony. Students are not outsiders on the campus. They are primary stakeholders and they have to be respected, they have to be empowered, they have to be protected.